Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO Y22s, and today I will show you how we can enable the power saving mode on this device. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, extend the list, and somewhere in here you'll hopefully find a power saving toggle. Now for me it looks like it's right here called Battery Saver. Once you see this toggle, simply tap on it. It will bring up a little notification right here, turn on Battery Saver to extend battery life. Power saving assistant will reduce the device performance, turn off 5G and restrict vibrations and most background data. For sync-dependent apps such as email and chat tools, you may need to open them to receive the messages. And then we have power saving assistant automatically turns off when the device is charging. So you can turn it on, and as you can see it turns on dark mode. I'll give Vivo props, as this explanation right here was splendid. This is done really nicely. Most devices don't bother giving you any kind of explanation what the power saving mode does, but here not only did they explain everything that will happen, they also gave you some solutions. For instance, like the most important one with the mail fetching as an example. Basically any application that requires internet connection, it tells you to open it up if you experience some kind of bugginess where it won't give you any kind of updates from an app. Now the reason for that happening, just to explain this, like why this might be the case, is power saving mode will disable Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device goes to sleep mode. And just to clarify this would be considered sleep mode, or at least after a couple of minutes it would. And once the device is in sleep mode, it disconnects, and because of that you won't be receiving any updates from apps that require internet connection, like Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, email, and so on. So when you wake up the device, it should theoretically reconnect and sync up everything that it's missing, but like the message stated, that might not always happen, so you might need to open up said application, and then the device will literally be forced into updating itself, or the info that it was missing. So there we go. Now once you're done with the power saving mode, also the message said you can just plug it to charge and it will turn it off, but you can do it yourself, meaning turn it off, by finding the toggle yourself and simply tapping on it. And there we go, it's now disabled. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.